Okay, Dad. Honest feelings.
A little nervous.
Me too. All right, what are we doing this week? This week we are actually going to start putting up posts. That's going to be awesome. So excited to actually start real construction. I do have to run into town and pick up some new materials for lifting the heavier posts, but today we can actually get started lifting some of the lighter ones, which is great news. We're going to be doing a lot of things here solo that would normally be done with a team of people, like setting heavy columns and lifting trusses by yourself. So if you want tips on how to do that, or just to watch someone try and maybe fail, then definitely give us a subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure you're not going to miss out. This week, I'm also going to be trying to put up scaffolding by myself, so let's watch me fail miserably at that right now. This is as much as I'm going to do today. Should work well enough for our purposes. This is just to give you a little bit of idea about the system that I'm doing here. We have the jacks here, which are just going to be holding the scaffolding up. The wheels will actually be off the ground most of the time, except for when we're moving it. And the bungee cords just kind of are there to keep the feet up, keep them from falling out whenever I move it. So I'll give you kind of an idea here about what that's going to be like. I would actually call that moderately successful. I was able to get it over here. It's a little bit not rigid in terms of keeping it square the whole time, but you know, it worked. I definitely wouldn't do it with just two wheels with more than two sections here. It's getting a little squirrely for that, but when I get all four outriggers, we may or may not work with that. So we'll see how that goes. I do expect to have to do all four with the trusses, so we may end up doing some build up and tear down each time for one of those, but with trusses, I just want to be safe, so I'm not afraid to spend a bunch of time each time making sure that everything is just right and that everybody's being safe. We are ready to set up the rigging for getting this first post up. These are pretty light, so we don't have to worry too much about doing anything heavy duty on this one. Well, as an example that you could definitely overcomplicate things, I definitely did not need that pulley. These are really easy just to lift up by yourself. This is awesome. So I got my second post up. This is going way faster than the last one. My wife and the girls are out of town this week, so I think I'm going to be able to fly through these posts, at least compared to what I thought it was going to take. This is going to be awesome. Got 5 posts up total. I feel like that's a pretty good job for my first time. I'm pretty happy with it. should be able to get them up before the girls come back, so that's good news. And man, I'm beat. I am ready for some rest and maybe some dinner. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, it's the start of day 2. I am here with my dad, Jim. You'll see him around a little bit. Not that it's really necessary. Everybody watching this already knows him anyway, but might as well do it anyway. So yeah, see him around, and let's get going.
Let's get after it.
That actually worked out way better than I was expecting. Didn't even need to put the boards up on pallets, and it all went really smooth, as you probably saw in the time lapse. I definitely think this is a great way to move around things around your property. This is pretty effortless. We just used 3-inch ABS pipe and a bunch of 2x lumber on the ground, and it was great. We didn't even have any hang-ups, so definitely recommend trying this out. Day 3 wrap up. We didn't get our first post up, but that's all right. That turned out the most optimal thing for us to do is to get all these posts in place. They're really heavy, so I feel like we accomplished quite a bit. They're all milled down to a specific thickness now, so they should fit nice and snugly in the brackets. We're gonna be sitting pretty to get some of these things up tomorrow. Hopefully that all goes well. We are all set up here with this complicated contraption here. We've got one chain going back from the foundation up to the top of our lifting post here, from there, and then 2 from the front areas right here and over there in the corner. And so that's giving us all our stability on the post there. We also have another rope here, another rope from the beam, making sure that it doesn't spin in the wind or tilt in the wind. It's gonna be a little crazy. Not 100% sure what to expect yet, but I think it's gonna go pretty good. I took a test lift and it didn't feel super difficult, so certainly be really interesting. Okay, Dad, honest feelings.
A little nervous.
Me too. All right, let's give this a shot. Okay, day 4 wrap up. We were able to get these 2 beauties up. It was a lot of hard work. Took us a long time to figure out how to do the first one, but after we did, the second one actually went up pretty fast. It was awesome to have my mom come and make us a homemade meal, and we could share that out here at the property, and that was awesome. Thank you so much, Mom, for that. Nothing like a home-cooked meal to make you feel awesome. It is the start of day 5, and today I'm back by myself again. I think today what we're gonna do is trim down the posts, those large ones, down to 12 feet. I talked with the kit manufacturer last night, and they said that that would be okay. You only need about like 1.5 feet of excess or something close to that. So we're gonna chainsaw all of those remaining poles down, make it significantly easier to work with. Then we're going to move the ones that are still in the pile over here to their correct corresponding pillar or brackets. and then route them down to make sure that they fit not too snug, but still snug within the bracket. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Mostly prep day, but yeah, let's get to work. We are back at it again today. I don't even remember if it's day 5 or day 6. I'm starting to lose count, but this will probably be the last day on this video. But today we're all set up and ready to go with the posts. We're all prepared. All the brackets are ready to go. So we're going to be lifting up more of these posts. I'm curious. Hopefully I can get 3 done today. That would be awesome, but I'm more expecting maybe 2. So we'll see how that goes. Let's get to work. What a week. Got a ton of posts up. Started to really get my groove there and get going fast. Building, I feel like, is really coming together. I can really start to understand the space now. And I am just super excited and super tired. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And if you want to see our progress on the post frame building, then go ahead and hit that subscribe and the bell. Make sure you don't miss any further videos in the future. See you guys next time.